Good day guys, today we are going to unbox the most commonly used clutch na ginagamit natin for the STI. So this is for 2004 and up na STI. This is the Excedy Stage 1 Organic Clutch Kit. There you go. You notice it has a different part number compared to what we have because this is for the US market. So in the US, you buy it as a set. You get one big box containing all of these. But since we live near Japan, we get a different set. So we get it piece by piece. So yeah, compared to the US market model, which it's this set right here. This is the clutch disc. I opened it already. Ayan, so it's diba? Ultra fiber organic clutch disc, high heat and temperature resistant. So compared to the stock, mas matibay talaga to. So lagyan natin dito. Oops. There you go. Now we open the pressure plate. There you go. So this is the pressure plate made in Japan. There you go. That's the back side. 240 mm full type version. This pressure plate has a heavy-duty design for more clamping load. This kit can handle up to around 400 foot-pound of torque, a lot more than the stock one. So stock one starts to slide at around 360 foot-pound. This is the release bearing. So, ayan. So this is what we usually sell our customers. Open. Para makita nyo din. There you go. So, this type of clutch is best for both street and track. I've personally used itong clutch na to. Smooth shifting, a lot faster engagement compared to the stock one. Yeah, and again, this is up to 400 foot-pound torque. So, very good for, cars with a FP Blue Turbo, G25, Excedy Stage 1 Organic Clutch. There's a cheaper version. It's the OEM replacement. A few more pesos, you get a better one. So, tingnan nyo. Very, very good quality as you expect from a Japanese brand. Diba? So this should last you a couple of years of use. Oh shit, it's very heavy. So yeah. So this goes like this. Lagyan mo dyan. And then clutch disc. Solid on the flywheel of the car. Okay, we'll do an install video in the near future. So anyways, ito. We sell this set for 35,000 pesos. So, if you compare it sa presyo on the internet, they sell at around 650 US, just about the same price. And this is on hand, available locally. Install takes a day or two, including the test drive, and yes, 35,000 pesos for this whole set. So if you feel na when you step on the throttle and RPM goes up but you don't speed up, that's a positive sign of your clutch is slipping already. Excedy Heavy Duty Stage 1 Organic Clutch Kit for the STI 2004 up to 2021. If you want to see more unboxing or if you have any requests on items na i-unbox, let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you guys.